Welcome back. Some big changes on the way. Tonight we're going to see some snow this evening. That will switch to rain by the morning hours, and we're going to see chances of rain throughout the day. 41 for the high, so we are going to warm up quite a bit. Rain showers throughout the day with just a brief break in the afternoon. Winds will be picking up as well out of the southeast, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Those gusts will pick up near 25 miles per hour here in Spokane. Windier to the north. Today's high 32 degrees, a low of 25. That low right on point for this time of year, and that high a little bit below average, but we are going to creep way above that as we head over the next few days. 31 right now in Spokane, winds moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Coeur d'Alene 32 degrees, winds moving northeast at 9 miles per hour. And you can see on our radar that we do have that first of two systems making its way into the region right now. What we're going to see with this is going to be the more mild of the two systems. However, it is going to be wet. We're going to see chances of rain and snow for the valleys, also high mountain snow, also some chances of freezing rain and pockets of sleet with this system. Looks like Spokane will start with the snow, and the bulk of this system will be to the north and the west of us, which is why we have a winter weather advisory in effect until 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. That's because we're going to see 2 to 5 inches for the valleys for those areas in purple, 6 to 12 inches for the mountains for those areas in purple. Here in Spokane, looks like we'll receive about an inch of snow accumulation overnight with that first snow. Next, we'll see this low pressure system, the second storm system, make its way into the region. That will be late on Saturday. That's going to be warmer and wetter. We're going to see breezy conditions along with that system. Chances of rain Saturday, Sunday, and then we are going to taper out on Monday. As we head into next week, things are going to calm down quite a bit. We're going to get closer to average with those temperatures, and we're going to see some sunny skies. So just a bit of a stormy weekend before we see some nice weather in the forecast. Tonight, we do have those chances of rain and snow. Looks like the snow will be to the north. Here in Spokane, we are going to start with snow, switching to rain overnight. Tomorrow for Omak and Moses Lake, we're going to see chances of rain and snow in the morning. Also breezy conditions. Breezy here in Spokane as well. A little bit windier to the north near Newport. Chances of rain. Looks like most of that snow will stay to the north throughout the day tomorrow. Northeast mountains will see rain and snow. Windy conditions for northern panhandle of Idaho. Snow to the north for western Montana, and rain for Pullman, Moscow, and Lewiston throughout the day tomorrow. You can see where that warm system is already starting to make its way in into the coast. 50 in Seattle, 52 down in Portland, 41 for our high here in Spokane tomorrow with 100% chance of rain. So we are going to see that rain throughout the day with just a brief break in the afternoon. Flurries starting overnight tonight. We may see up to an inch of accumulation here in Spokane, a lot more to the north and west of us. Saturday, rainy as well. Sunday, also rainy. Monday is when we're going to start calming down, and then we are going to see another foggy week. We thought we were out of the fog, but it's back.
It's back.
Yes.
Well, at least that snow weekend doesn't look like it's going to stick around long with temperatures 41.
Yeah, it's probably going to melt right away.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Thanks a lot, Alyssa.